Hello everybody and welcome back to Kathy's Creative Space. I'm Kathy and I'm a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator here in Australia. So last weekend I went to Onstage in Sydney. Now this is Stampin' Up's conference. It happens every April and every November. But they did say they're mixing things up a little bit next year. Sydney was so much fun, stamping away with 700 other demonstrators. And the girls on my table, some were from my team, and others we've met for the first time, but we all had a great time. We can agree on that. So I thought I'd show you some of the items that I got on the day, and these include the new catalogues. So this one is the Celebration catalogue. You may or may not have heard of it before, but Celebration is a period of 3 months from the 3rd of January through to the end of March, where you can spend $90 in Australia and receive a free item from this catalogue. How fun is that? There are a couple of items that you need to spend $180, but those are for dies and that sort of thing. I have always in the past, before I became a demo, made sure that I bought up quite a few items from the mini catalogue or from the annual catalogue so I could get as many free items as possible. So pop that out of the way. This other catalogue we got is the mini catalogue. So this one will run for 6 months from the start of January through to the end of June. And while I can't show you what is in the catalogue, I can show you items that we have purchased or that I got on the Saturday. So that's what I'm going to do right now. This will be part of a 3-video series showing you items from these catalogues. So first I'm going to show you the stamp sets. So I got 3 stamp sets on the day, and the first one I'm going to show you is called Timeless Tulips. Now I will be showing you this one in another video as well, but I just wanted to show you quickly what we got. So we've got Timeless Tulips, Timeless Tropical, and look at that hibiscus, and Forever Blossoms. And I will tell you more about these videos very soon. Okay, now we also got some other items. At the end of the day, we got a designer series paper pack, and this is called Country Club, part of the Country Club suite. And these are great for masculine cards. So whether someone in your family is a very keen golfer or just a man, there's just something on every sheet of this paper that will suit someone in your life. And I just love the patterns on these. It's such a great idea. And they're so colourful as well. So you could even use them on children's cards, the pattern side, as a base on your card. So nearly there. And we've also got this one on the end, and it is a colouring sheet. So you can make 1, 2, 3, 12 out of one sheet, 12 different cards, and they're great for colouring. Get your colouring pencils out and have a go. And this is the other side. So aren't they just amazing? So we got given those at the end of the day, and then they told us that they didn't want to take things home that were in a caddy of items for us to craft with. So we all got to pick things out of it, and we only had 6 people on our table, so we got a little bit extra, which was fun. So one of the stamp sets I got, which was the Forever Blossoms, I got that out of the bin. I also got a packet of sequins, an ink pad, and I also got some of our Stampin' Blends. So these are our blending pens, and the colour I got was Petal Pink, and I love using these. I've used the Cherry Cobbler ones a lot. These are great for Christmas, but these are another great colour to have for your projects, and they're very good for blossoms especially. So that's everything I got in our backpack and out of the bin on the day, and what we won in prizes. So, you too can join me next year in November to our on stage and see and receive your catalogue early. Not only that, you will also be able to order for 2 days after the weekend items from this catalogue and from Celebration. We get those free items from this catalogue to build up your space and to show others like I am showing you today. Also, if you join up before, so from the 3rd of December, before January, you can use your money in the kit for the kit to get items from here. So you spend $169 joining and you get $249 to spend. And you can get these early too. If you decide to join after 3rd of January and before the end of March, there is a special surprise on the inside of this catalogue only for new demonstrators. So that's something to think about too. So if you are going to put in a really big order, I suggest you think about joining my team. You get the 20% off. When you join up, you get all that extra to purchase items to start with. And who wouldn't want to be able to purchase for their hobby anytime they want? Not that you can't, you can go straight to my store and purchase anytime then. And there is my store on the bottom there, so you can find out what you can purchase, and you can see there is my blog address too. So anyway, thank you for joining me in part 1 of my series of items from Onstage 2019 Sydney, and I look forward to chatting with you all again very soon. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.